Yeah. The gym in the building, what's up? Black Roses. You feel me? Listen. Yeah. What you see is definitely what I want you to see. What you hear is actually what I want them to say. What you bang is what you can afford to bang again. Again, I'm done living like I owe people everything. Oh, I'm afraid to be afraid, and I'm a friend of a friend. Are you the demon from heaven or the angel from hell? Now I'm back to my sense. I see a snake with a toe. I see a nun shooting phone. I see myself at the top. Rah! I had dying so fast, it's so nice. They also told me I can live more than twice. Maybe we died and we haven't realized, and this is a lie in a lie. I can't imagine that, I can't imagine, goddamn. Yeah. The gym in the building, what's up? You feel me? Yeah. R.I.P. Yeah. So I decided to love me and I decided to fuck me. I decided to praise me and I decided to wow me. My name is big enough to make you see everything from nothing. And you here telling me blah blah blah, all you're saying is nothing. Goddamn. Yeah. The gym in the building, what's up? You feel me? Yeah. So I decided to love me and I decided to fuck me. I decided to praise me and I decided to warn me. The gym in the building, what's up? Yeah. Black Roses. Fuck it.